It's the time of the year para sa inaabangang fashion event na Met Gala. Showing off their A-game ang mga dumalong international artist. Kilalanin sila sa chika ni Nelson Canlas.
It's giving fantasy realness sa annual Met Gala sa New York City. Dressed to kill ang mga dumalong A-list celebrities sa dress code this year na Garden of Time. Dark, mysterious, at volume kung volume ang mga gown ni na Cardi B, Penelope Cruz, Nicole Kidman, Sarah Jessica Parker, at ang very pregnant na si Lea Michele. Samantalang svelte ang design ng outfit ni Rita Ora, Kim Kardashian in a very tight corset, Dua Lipa in boudoir dressing, at ang Puerto Rican singer na si Doja Cat na wet look in a cotton flower shirt.
We wanted to kind of just do a little, little razzle-dazzle. You can do a lot with it, and you can change the shape of the dress however you want to do it. That's why I was in love with this.
Mysterious naman ang dating ni Lana Del Rey sa kanyang veil and twig ensemble.
I think it's perfect with McQueen because it's a little bit of Mother Nature asking to be acknowledged. That's why there's only one rose, because the majority of it really begs to be acknowledged for the roots that it came from and to be respected. So yeah, it's perfect.
Habang tinfoil inspired ang piniling getup ni Amanda Seyfried at Oscar winner Michelle Yeoh. Sexy, glamorous, and shimmering naman ang atake ni Jennifer Lopez sa kanyang gown na gawa sa 2.5 million bugle beads. Florals for spring? Groundbreaking! Zendaya got you! At ginawang headdress ang isang bouquet of roses para sa second outfit of the night. Nauna nang rumampa ang singer-actress suot ang isang dramatic blue gown na may grapes at hummingbird. Floral din ang naging disenyo ng mga suot ni na Gigi Hadid, Jordan Roth, Nicki Minaj, Bad Bunny, at Demi Moore. Ang Grammy Award winner na si Tyla Iflinex galore din ang Balmain gown na malasan sculpture na inihulma sa kanyang katawan. Asian superstars represent, starting off with Blackpink member Jennie Kim in a custom-made blue Alaya gown. Dashing in their suits naman ang 8 members ng Stray Kids sa kanilang debut sa Metropolitan Gala. Dumalo rin ang Thai actor at model na si Bright Bachirawit. Pinag-usapan naman online ang IG post ni Katy Perry suot ang isang floral dress na tila nasa Met red carpet. Pinuri pa yan mismo ng kanyang mami. Pero pag-amin ni Katy, AI lang yan dahil hindi raw siya nakadalo sa event this year. Nelson Canlas updated sa Showbiz Happenings.